Meet the Gloucester Canary, squishy and bouncy like a mango pudding. Tiny, super gentle and calm enough to let you wiggle it in your palm. It was selectively bred in Gloucestershire, England, and comes in two types, the consort with no crest and the corona with that famous bowl cut. That bowl cut can actually block their vision, so owners trim the bangs. They are amazing singers and live 12 to 15 years. One important fact, you must never pair two corona-crested birds. Their chicks have a high risk of lethal genetic defects.